Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to change video codec and audio codec with VLC media player. So guys, when you open up your VLC media player, just simply click on media over here and click on convert slash save. And from here guys, you'll be able to click on add over here. So just simply add a video and open it up. And from here, you'll be able to click on this convert slash save. And from here, you will have this icon, the wrench icon over here. And from here, guys, you can change the video codec over here. Just simply check the box and you'll be able to change the video codec. And from here, you'll be have an option to customize it as well. And the same thing with the audio codec. Just check this box and you'll be able to change the codec over here, and you'll be able to change the bitrate and other information. And from here guys, make sure to add a profile name and just click on create. And after that, just select the destination file on where do you want to save it, and just simply click on save. And then from there guys, you'll be able to convert your video. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.